I am at the Leonard Avenue Railroad crossing in Fresno, or Sanger, I would say, Sanger, California. We got a Western Colin Hayes base, a Western Colin Hayes gate mechanism, some Western Colin Hayes lights, a WRS bracket, and a Safe Tran mechanical bell. I'm gonna let Papa shake this one. Wait, I'll tell you when to shake it, okay? I'll tell you when. Now. There's the other signal, huh? But before we go, that was looking east towards the Leonard Avenue crossing and then Sanger, California, downtown. That was looking west towards Fresno. Owned by the San Joaquin Valley Railroad. For this one, we have a Western Colin Hayes base, a Western Colin Hayes gate mech, Western Colin Hayes lights, and a Western Colin Hayes mechanical bell. I'll tell you when. Now. That is the Leonard Avenue crossing in Fresno. And also, I forgot to add this in. I found some abandoned rail. They just paved over the tracks, right, Hubba? See that? Gone. I think I know where the V's are coming from right there. Yeah. That's the Leonard Avenue Railroad crossing in Sanger. See ya.